Yo, what up? This DJ Zoe representing the Northern Virginia 703. You know what I'm saying? Right now I'm chilling with my boy EOM, Eon, the beat phenom, the beat peon. You know what I'm saying? The beatsmith from Virginia. Mad beats all day. Oh, snap, come through.
I am Chief Justice John Marshall of the United States Supreme Court. Today is Saturday, March 3rd, 1821, and the case we have next is Cohens versus Virginia. The Commonwealth of Virginia, please introduce yourself.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm William Wellington of the Virginian Court.
And I'm Patrick Peterson, also a member of the Virginian Court.
This harsh dispute started as a small argument when Patrick and I encountered some men selling DC lottery tickets. We approached them, and they ran off before we could question their activity.
Luckily, we were able to chase after some buyers and confiscate their lottery tickets, for it is violating Virginian state law. We calmly told them that they won't get in trouble if they hand us the lottery tickets and the names of the sellers so that we can convict them.
These buyers easily gave us their lottery tickets and told us the names of the sellers were P.J. Cohen and M.J. Cohen, also known as the Cohen brothers.
Your Honor, here is the evidence that we acquired that shows that the Cohen brothers committed a crime in our state. Here's the evidence. One of the DC lottery tickets was sold on Friday, January 10, 1821, at the price of $10. And another ticket was sold on Monday, January 13, 1821, for the price of $15. We believe that they should be charged $100 for this mishap.
Alright, gentlemen, that's a great piece of evidence, but let's hear the Cohens brothers' side of the story. Cohens, would you please introduce your position to the court?
Yes, you may, Honor. My name is P.J. Cohen.
And I'm M.J. Cohen.
My brother and I believe we shouldn't be convicted for a crime or charged $100 under the state of Virginia because in the Congress it was authorized DC lottery.
It's perfectly legal for us, Your Honor, to sell lottery tickets in our nation, as it says in this document.
In the legal acts of Congress, under Act 27, Section 4, it states it's legal for the District of Columbia to have a funded and operate lottery.
Therefore, we feel our activity of selling lottery tickets is legal and constitutional under the act authorized by Congress for us to do so.
Virginia is the only state that prohibits the lottery system in their borders and should legalize in their state because it should follow the Constitution of the Congress.
We believe if the Virginia court's ruling was unconstitutional, to convict us of an activity that is very illegal, and we should avoid the fines.
Alright, thank you gentlemen on your standpoints. Now, the Commonwealth of Virginia, do you have a response to the petition? If you do, please care to speak.
In fact, we do, Your Honor. Our Virginian courts would like to enforce a law prohibiting lotteries, regardless of the act of Congress that so-called authorized these men to sell DC lottery tickets within our borders.
Therefore, Your Honor, it is illegal for them to sell lottery tickets within the state of Virginia as it states here in the Virginia state law. Under Law 52, Section 3, it states, it is legal for anyone or company to sell lottery tickets within the state boundaries of Virginia.
For violating our state laws, our courts are just to fine the Cohen brothers $100 for their crime.
No, we're not paying that goddamn fine.
The Act of Congress authorized to sell DC lottery tickets, regardless of your state laws.
But the state of Virginia...
It doesn't matter what you say. The federal power has power over you.
Yeah, we have the right to avoid these fines.
Order, Cohens, so let the Commonwealth of Virginia speak. Now, Mr. Wellington, Mr. Peterson, please carry on.
Thanks, Your Honor. We believe that the Constitution does not give the Supreme Court the jurisdiction to hear an appeal in a criminal case decided by the state of Virginia.
In addition, the Constitution does not give the Supreme Court jurisdiction over criminal cases in which a state is a party.
Due to this, our decision was final and cannot be changed by the federal courts, even with their interpretation of the Act of Congress.
Therefore, Virginia has the unreviewable right of prohibiting the sale of lottery tickets, and we could interpret the federal law in a way that our court believes in.
Okay, thank you, Virginia, for your response. Mr. PJ and Mr. M.J. Cohen, what is your plea to defense?
I plead the fifth.
Well, alright. In the case of Virginia, the Supreme Clause of the Article 6 states that the federal law is superior to state law. So if the state court decisions cannot be changed by federal courts, then each state, including Virginia, could prevent us from executing federal laws within your state. We cannot give a veto power to states over federal law because the states can interpret many federal laws in different ways. The Constitution should not be restricted from granting jurisdiction over all cases under the laws of the U.S. Therefore, the Supreme Court has jurisdiction over the appeals from the Commonwealth of Virginia.
Yes.
Hold on, Cohens. Not so fast. Since the Supreme Court has jurisdiction power, we still can uphold your convictions. We found out that Congress did not intend to authorize the sale of lottery tickets outside of Washington, D.C. Therefore, there is no issue between the acts of Congress authorizing a lottery in the District of Columbia and the state law of prohibiting lotteries in Virginia. So after going that, the Supreme Court concludes no problem with Virginia's law prohibiting the sale of lottery tickets. I hereby declare Mr. PJ and Mr. MJ Cohens guilty of the crime of selling BC lottery tickets in the state of Virginia, and the innocent right of the Commonwealth of Virginia to convict them for a fine of $100. It's closed.
Oh man.
Damn it. We're just trying to hustle out here now. We're sure $100.
Now we gotta pay this damn fine.
Yeah, boy, we won.
VA all day, bro. VA all day.
All day, every day.
Woo! $100.